Take a look at the calendar. It's Tuesday. For the average person, Tuesday is the day momentum dies. That initial surge from Monday has faded. The high-energy motivation is already compromised by the first setbacks, the first emails, the first compromises. They see Tuesday as the long, flat stretch of the week, a day to maintain, not a day to gain. They're content with their Monday output. They are settling for maintenance. But for the champion, Tuesday is the day of maximum leverage. It is the moment to exploit the inevitable slowdown of the competition, and more importantly, to demand absolute exponential growth from yourself. This Tuesday, outwork yesterday. Your success isn't built on maintaining a standard. It's built on the compounding pressure of relentless self-improvement. You must make an uncompromising contract with your past self. Your effort today must invalidate the effort of yesterday. Your focus must be sharper. Your output must be higher. Your commitment must be deeper. Let's talk about the law of compounding effort. The average person operates with a simple linear mindset. Work X amount today, get Y result. But the champion operates with a compounding mindset. They understand that a 1% improvement in effort on Tuesday multiplies the gains of Monday, creating an exponential separation from the competition by Friday. This isn't addition, it's multiplication. If you match yesterday's effort, you merely maintain. If you match yesterday's failures, you repeat them. But when you outwork yesterday, you're not just getting ahead of others. You are forcing an internal evolution. You are proving to your own system that your capacity for discipline is growing, that your limits are artificial, and that your baseline of performance is being permanently elevated. So, how do we do this? First, the rejection of self-congratulation. The biggest threat on Tuesday is the satisfaction you get from a strong Monday. You must immediately reject that psychological comfort. Your past success is irrelevant. It's a historical data point, not a guarantee of future victory. The champion treats their Monday win as an entry fee for the privilege of working harder on Tuesday. Your internal dialogue must be, yesterday was a win, but my potential is greater. I have more to give. Yesterday's maximum is today's minimum. Second, the relentless audit of time. To outwork yesterday, you must eliminate the hidden thieves of time that you tolerated yesterday. Take 60 seconds right now and perform a cold-blooded audit of your Monday. Where did you waste 15 minutes? Which task did you execute inefficiently? Identify those precise 30 minutes of lost time, those pockets of mediocrity, and convert them with surgical precision into 30 minutes of deep, high-leverage work today. You aren't just adding time, you're adding quality by eliminating waste. You aren't just working, you are optimizing the machine. Now, let's get to the Tuesday task of transcendence. Your Tuesday must be defined by the act of exceeding your previous benchmark. This is how you create an insurmountable lead. Let's focus on two pillars. Pillar 1, the volume increase. Identify a clear, measurable metric from Monday and increase it by 5% to 10%. This small, intentional increase creates an exponential effect over time. If you did 10 focused push-ups yesterday, do 11 today. If you read 20 pages of technical material, read 22 today. If you completed 2 deep work blocks yesterday, ensure today is an uninterrupted 3. This commitment to a small, quantifiable increase is the engine of compounding progress. It's the visible evidence that you're operating with an unbreakable growth mindset. You are making your internal commitments non-negotiable. Pillar 2, the quality correction. Yesterday, you executed your highest leverage task. Today, you must revisit a critical part of it, not to finish a new phase, but to refine the previous one. Take that piece of work you rushed or executed imperfectly and apply a 60-minute block of focused, intentional improvement. You are not moving on until the standard of your previous work has been elevated. This act of refinement ensures that your momentum is not just fast, but is aimed with surgical precision and built on a foundation of absolute quality. Tuesday is the day the race is truly won. It's the day the champion pulls away from the pack that is resting on its Monday laurels. Don't be satisfied with maintenance. Don't allow your past success to become a ceiling on your future potential. Demand more. Commit more. Execute more. This Tuesday, outwork yesterday, and you guarantee that your Friday will be a victory worthy of the effort. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Now go win your Tuesday.